back to my habitat. I'm Andrew Beauchamp, and today we're going to be doing some more winter sowing. Let's get started. If you guys want to know how to do the winter sowing method, I do have another video where I go into more detail about what I'm doing with the containers. Today's just going to be a fun video saying, let's grow some more stuff. And speaking of the more stuff that we're growing, let's hop into the varieties. Number one, blue fescue ornamental grass. Really beautiful grass, really nice blue color that I'm going to want in my front yard. Also, the more sun it gets, the more blue the foliage is. If it's in a shadier spot, it stays more green. That's also just a good note if you are wanting to grow this yourself. I'm going to start some hollyhocks. I love hollyhocks. These are Chatter's double, so they have the double flower blooms. A thing about these though is that unless I'm starting these inside 6 to 8 weeks before last frost, I'm not going to see flowers this year, which I am okay with. Now, I'm not going to have flowers this year, but the year after, I'm going to be thanking myself because I should have some beautiful hollyhocks planted out in the garden. I have some yarrow, a beautiful wildflower. Pollinators love it. I love it in cup bouquets. It's a great filler flower. Aster China Gus Ford Supreme, which is a bit of a mouthful of a name. I got these seeds last year, never ended up planting them out. They're a beautiful flower. And also for pig flowers, another beautiful filler. Now we're gonna fill these containers with dirt, put in the seeds, tape them up, and put them outside. Let's take these future plant babies outside. So this is where they're gonna be until spring. Then we're gonna take them out. Hopefully we'll have some really beautiful little seedlings that are really tough and sturdy because they were winter sown. I hope this has also inspired you guys to do some winter sowing because it's a really cool method, especially if you don't have any space to grow inside and you still wanna get some perennials. Try out winter sowing. Thanks for watching. Till next time, stay gardening.